Sometimes it's not the big stuff that gets you. It's the quiet, the feeling that no one really sees you. That's why Televeda helps you find talking circles, so people can come together, be heard, and feel a little less alone. It's not therapy, it's not a lecture. It's real people sharing real stories with no judgment. You can find a circle that fits you, all women, all men, groups that meet you where you are, people who feel like your peers, sometimes new friends. And beyond the circle, Televeda can help connect you to things like housing, medical care, or one-on-one help, because connection should lead to real support. When people show up for each other, things shift. It gets a little lighter, a little easier to keep going. Join a talking circle. Show up as you are. You're not alone.